Hello, Dr. Berry. This is my 3-minute video. In it, I'm going to talk about my research proposal. Its title is To Be or Not to Be, an exploration of EFL student teachers' motivations to become language professors. As its own title suggests, this thesis project is about the motivations that led the student teachers to become language professors in the context of our country, that is Colombia. In that order of ideas, the guiding research question is, what are some of the possible motivations underlying EFL teachers' selection to become language professors? Otherwise, the objectives are to explore EFL teachers' motivations to become language professors, to determine their motivations to become language professors, and to categorize their motivations in becoming language professors. Before I continue talking, I would like to introduce my positionality. Okay, first of all, I am an English language teacher who has been working in the region of Huila for about 6 years. I have been working in many public institutions. Now I'm working in a small town that is called Gigante. My positionality in the study is that of being a researcher, but that of being also a teacher, because I'm going to be combining those two identities in order to explore those elements that I have been mentioning so far. Also, I will be designing and implementing the data collection methods, so it will mean that I will be the main researcher in this study. Problem statement. Before I continue talking, I would like to mention that the main field of knowledge, or the main area of knowledge in which this research study can be set, is language teacher education. Historically speaking, language teacher education has been seen as the place in which individuals go to receive formal preparation to become language professors in the world. However, authors such as Crandall and Freeman, they have illustrated or they have mentioned that language teacher education programs also represent the place in which these student teachers shape their beliefs, their initial practices as teachers. In Colombia, this has also happened. For example, language teacher educations in our country have become more integrative. They have tried to rise in their students a more colonial perspective. That is like the fourth wider measure that Crandall talks about. However, thanks to this, some categories, let's say, have established themselves as the more dominating in the country. It is the case, for example, of professional development, of virtual learning environments, of research practices and methodologies, and identities and beliefs. However, despite the fact that many studies have been conducted in the context of our country, one study delving into the motivations that led student teachers to become language professors is lacking. So in that sense, this study is a contribution to that area of knowledge in Colombia.